Helio!
Evergy's new rates are here. And if you have questions about what this means for you and how to avoid huge electric bills next summer, you're not alone. Helio GreenTech is a top-rated solar company in Kansas City, and we want to help shed some light on what this pricing change means for solar customers. There are 4 options on Evergy's new pricing, but if you didn't choose a different option, you're likely on the standard plan. The new rate is roughly a 20% increase from last year. But with net metering, you receive credit for the energy your solar panels help create, helping to reduce your electric bill and putting the savings back in your pocket. This new rate change has made solar more attractive than ever before. And with solar financing, the transition to solar can be more cost-effective than your electric bill. Request a free online quote, and our professional team can build out a proposal for your home. Helio GreenTech, not just greener, better.